I'm here today with an Ulta skincare and hair care favorites. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I am partnering with Grande Lash, which makes me so happy, purchasing their lash serum for so long, and now they have so many more products than just the lash serum. They have the brow serum, they have a liner with the conditioning serum in it, they have a lip plumping product. They have so many really cool products. I actually had already owned this and I've been using it for a few weeks, and you guys know I always complain about how puny my lashes are, and I feel like they're looking thicker and longer and so much more healthier. And we're getting into springtime, and you know, if you know anything about lashes, there's a fall shed and a spring shed of your lashes, and I feel like mine are looking so much like thicker and longer looking. So I have been loving this. I have repurchased this many times. I was so thankful that they sent me another one. Now, another one that is newer to me, but I've been using for I think about 2 weeks now, is the Grande Brow. So this one is for your eyebrows to give them a thicker looking appearance. And I obviously have brow product on, but I do feel like I am starting to see a little bit more thickness in the hair, which I have very like little brows. Used to have big, beautiful, thick brows, but you know, early 2000s, late 90s, everyone a little pluck crazy, and mine never came back. So this is really great because it's super easy to apply. It's just a little one like this, and you just stick that in your brows, and I just do it every single night. So as you guys probably know, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is going on right now. And so the Grande Brow is going to be 50% off today, March 28th, when you're watching this. So you guys, if you have been thinking about picking it up, I highly recommend getting it today. It's 50% off. It is amazing brow enhancing serum. It's going to give your brows that thicker, bolder look, and big brows are in right now. So if you were like me and you overplucked in the 90s and early 2000s and you're trying to get those brows to be thick and bold again, this is a really, really awesome serum. So 50% off for the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty today, March 28th. The link and everything will be down below. And now let's get into some skincare and hair care favorites. Okay, some hair care favorites that I love from Ulta. Some of these are even repurchases. I purchased them a few times. Some of them I purchased a lot of times. Thing that I love from Ulta, which I've repurchased multiple times, is the Living Proof dry shampoo. It's such a good dry shampoo. I love the smell of it. It doesn't leave a ton of white cast in my hair. If it does leave a little bit of white, it really does zhuzh out really nicely, and I love it. It smells really great. My hair feels fresh. I can get extended days between washes, and I've repurchased it time and time again. This is a newer one. I actually purchased this at Ulta, and then Eva NYC sent me a little PR package with another one of these. But I had purchased this because I was looking for a new detangler because I've been using the same one for years. Also, my daughter has really, really tangly hair. And I picked up the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I love this. Also, my daughter's obsessed with the packaging of it. She gets so excited because she thinks the bottle is so cute. It smells so good. It also does 10 things. It strengthens heat protection, reduces frizz, detangles, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and UV protection. So I really do love this so much. You do not need a lot of products. So typically with detanglers, I would literally have to douse my hair, my daughter's hair in a ton of detangler, and this, you don't need a ton of product. And I love the packaging. I love the smell. It works amazing. I also love that it has a heat protectant in there too, which is really nice. So I don't have to technically go in with another product when I go to blow dry my hair. So this is amazing. If you have not tried it, I definitely recommend it. This I need to add to cart immediately because it's almost gone. It's the Fakai Full Blown Volume Texturizer Dry Texturizing Spray. This also smells absolutely phenomenal. It actually matches me. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. I'm not gonna spray it in my hair today because I have like straighter hair, but when I curl my hair, I love just putting this all in my hair. It gives me just such great volume and texture, and it makes the curls look really sexy. It's a really, really nice texturizing spray. Probably one of my favorites. Like I used to swear by the Bumble and Bumble dry texturizing spray. This has replaced that for me. So the next is the Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer. Now this was a TikTok inspired purchase if I've ever seen one. I actually watched a girl apply this to dry hair and then use her round brush, and it gave her so much great volume in her hair. It was great. I'm on day 4, like I'm on 4 day, and I used it this morning. It's just so great. And I just put it all in my bangs because it was looking a little greasy. Plus I went to the, I've gone to the gym all week, and it just gives me like great volume up in my roots. It gives, look at my bangs have some volume. Love how it takes away the grease. It gives me volume. It gives me like no gritty texture to my hair. There's no white cast. And it really does just give a ton of lightweight volume. So I absolutely love that product. Okay, 5 skincare products that I love at Ulta. The first is the St. Moriz Radiant Glow Face Mist. This is a self-tanning face mist, and I love this because it's one of the few tanners that I can spray on my chest at night, and it really does have the tan stick to my chest. I don't know about you, but my neck and chest are really hard to have tanner stick to, and this is just so nice. It's glowy looking. It doesn't wear off weird. It doesn't get on your clothes because it is clear. I absolutely love this. As you can tell, I hardly have any left. I've already repurchased a backup of this. Next product, this is kind of weird, but again, it was another like TikTok influence purchase. It's the Kazarax Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It is snail secretion. It says, being 96% snail secretion filtrate, this essence helps the skin to lose less moist while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. I don't know what is in this, but I know that my skin looks amazing. It's kind of an interesting consistency. I feel like most essence products are very watery, and this one is like a little slimy. So when you put it on, it is a little slimy. I have a few products from Kazarax in the Snail Mucin line, and it is a little bit slimy, but it does make my skin feel unbelievably soft and hydrated and youthful and plump looking. So I really like it. To go along with that, the Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. I have been using this morning and night. Again, it's a different consistency. Eye creams either tend to be like a little bit more serumy or a little bit on the creamier side, where this one is kind of like a watery, creamy jelly consistency. I don't know if I can show you. Like that is like definitely a different texture for an eye cream, but it feels unbelievable under the eyes. And it really, I like it because it's not overly heavy. My makeup applies amazing over it, and it just is like cooling and hydrating and just really, really nice under the eyes. It says here that it nourishes and brightens with snail secretion and 5 types of peptides for a youthful glow. There you go. They said it better than I did. I love this stuff. Next is, this is my second one that I just opened. It's the Truly Glazed Donut Aftershave Oil. Now, I like to have glowy legs, and this stuff is amazing, especially if you do like your self tanner and then the next day you put this on. Ooh, it's so nice. It has coconut, grape, passion fruit, lavender, and vitamin E. And this stuff smells amazing. So you can put it, it says, for everywhere hair meets skin. You can put it in your pubic area, underarms, chest, legs, and face. And I just like apply this all over my legs. It smells absolutely divine. I love the smell of this. I love the packaging. I have so many of these Truly products. I have like their whipped butter, their body scrubs. Like the packaging is amazing. The products are really, really good. They're vegan, clean, high performance, animal cruelty free, made in the US with global ingredients. So I have really enjoyed a lot of these Truly products, but the glazed donut aftershave oil is probably one of my favorite. Also, I guess this is my other favorite, the Luscious Lip Butter. This is amazing. I apply this at night. It is their peppermint and hyaluronic acid lip butter. It's unbelievably moisturizing and soothing. And I like it has a little pink tint. It smells really good. It smells pepperminty, and it is like a little bit of a different consistency. It's like a whipped body butter versus like most lip products are a little bit more like waxy. But you can see it has like a nice little pink tint to it. So I love it because it's just very moisturizing and hydrating. You could wear it during the day for just an everyday lip butter, but I love applying this at night. It just gives like a juicy, hydrating look to your lips, and it's very, very conditioning. All right, guys, that is it for my Ulta hair and skincare favorites. Thank you so much, Grande Lash, for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget to head over to Ulta on March 28th to pick up your Grande Brow for 50% off. You guys do not want to miss that deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.